Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to create gel effect text. So to find out, keep on watching. Firstly, create a canvas via File, New, adjust the size and click OK. Then select the text tool and choose your desired font style. I'm using Bauhaus 93 in size 80 and also going to change the style from sharp to strong. Then choose a color and click OK. Now I can type my text. Mine will read gel text effect. Then activate in free transform tool by pressing Ctrl and T. Then by holding down the shift key I can resize the text. Press enter when done. The next step is to add a drop shadow effect via the add a layer style icon. Here we are not going to change much except for the color of the shadow. Using the color picker, I can select a darker shade of the same color of the text. Then click OK. Moving on to inner shadow. Again using the color picker to select the color of the text. I am going to choose a different but darker shade of red and then click OK. Similarly, I am also going to select outer glow and change the color after using the color picker but choosing a lighter shade. Now I am going to change the opacity to 60%, the elements spread to 15% and the size to 10 pixels. Then moving on to inner glow, I'm going to repeat the color choosing process. Select the text color using the color picker, then choose a darker shade and click OK. Then change the blend mode to multiply, the opacity to 50% and the choker to 10%. Now I am also going to add Bevel and Emboss effect. Here change the size to 16 pixel, angle to 90 degrees and altitude to 75 degrees. Also the shading opacity is going to be set to 0. Under Bevel and Emboss, select the contour effect and choose half round contour. Now add in the satin effect. Like before, I'll choose a color based on the text color and click OK. Then change the angle to 75 degrees, the distance to 43 pixels and size to 54 pixels. Also the contour style to ring. All the effects have now been selected and added. To save the style, click on New Style so that the same effects can be added to text that is created later on. Rename your new style. I'm naming mine as Gel Effect. Then click OK. You can find your layer style under the Style tab. Here, click OK to close the effects menu. Now I am going to show you how to apply your saved style to a different set of text. So firstly select the text tool and type. Mine reads Photoshop tutorial. Then activate free transform tool using Ctrl and T to resize your text. Now instead of applying all the effects again to get the gel effect, just simply click on the style that you saved previously and it immediately applies the same effects to the text. Nice and easy. However, some may want to change the color of the text, and this can also be done easily. Firstly, create a group by pressing Ctrl and G. Then change the layer blend mode from pass-through to normal. Then click onto the Photoshop tutorial text layer. Then select the adjustment layer icon and click on Hue Saturation. And using the Hue slider, you are able to change the color to whatever you like. Experiment with properties and you can come up with some awesome colors and effects. You can now save your work, as it is the end of my tutorial on how to apply gel effect on text. I hope that you have learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again soon.